Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious banana nut bread from scratch. This recipe calls for about 9 individual servings of banana nut bread, and it is absolutely delicious. One of my favorites. So let's get started. Here is all what you will need to make your banana nut bread. You will need some overripe bananas, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, unsalted butter at room temperature, eggs at room temperature, salt, vanilla extract, cinnamon, allspice, 8 ounces of walnuts, and some canola oil. To bake your banana nut bread, you will need some Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray and a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. And there we have it. In a large bowl, add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of allspice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir all your ingredients together. In a separate bowl, add 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and 3/4 cup of sugar. Using a whisk, mix ingredients vigorously for 1 minute or until the mixture is creamy and smooth. And that's how it looks when we're done. Scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl. Add 2 eggs in, one at a time. Add the first egg in. Mix until combined. Add the second egg in. Mix until combined. And make sure your eggs are at room temperature. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix until combined. Here I have 3 overripe bananas. I'm going to take a potato masher and I'm going to mash the bananas until they are a nice, smooth, creamy consistency. And this is how it looks when we're done. Add your mashed bananas. Stir all your ingredients together. As you can see, your mixture may be slightly curdled. Don't panic, this is normal. Spray your loaf pan with non-stick baking spray. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Add your all-purpose flour mixture. Stir all your ingredients together until combined. Here I have 1 cup of walnuts. Chop walnuts into very small pieces. Add 2/3 cup of chopped walnuts. Fold the walnuts into the batter. Our banana nut bread batter is now ready. Add your banana nut bread batter into your loaf pan. Using the back of a spoon, spread the banana nut bread batter around your loaf pan as evenly as possible. To make the batter more even, shake your pan slightly. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts on top of your banana nut bread batter. Now it is ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 325-degree oven. Bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Remove your banana nut bread out of the oven after baking on 325 degrees for 1 hour and 15 minutes. We're going to do a toothpicks test. Insert it, and it should come out clean. Let the banana nut bread cool completely. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this cool off overnight. Our banana nut bread has completely cooled. I'm going to remove it out of the pan. And it is ready to be served. Here is the final presentation. Oh, look at how moist that looks. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, banana nut bread made from scratch. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to it. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. Look at that. I love banana bread. Man, the banana bread is nice and moist. Then you can taste the flavor from the bananas, the spices, and the walnuts, which gives the banana bread a nice toasty flavor. Then the banana bread is not too sweet, just right, delicious. I love banana nut bread. So give the recipe a try. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.